Welcome to this geometric card tutorial. I thought I would change things up a little bit and do a bit of a different design than I normally make, and I really like this geometric card. It would be super easy to customize and change up just by simply varying the colors that you use or perhaps the order of colors that you choose to put on the card. Keep watching to see how this card is made. Here are all of the supplies that I used for this card. All of the specific items, colors, etc. will be linked in the description box below. The first step is to take your pencil and paper that you're using for the base of your card and simply draw out the design. You'll also likely want a straight edge here to get that really crisp, clean, geometric look. I ended up using a ruler, but really you can use any straight edge that you have. Once you have the initial design drawn out in pencil, next you're simply going to trace over all of the previously drawn pencil lines with a black pen. So to make it a bit easier, I started by doing all of the lines in one direction, and then I kind of did the vertical lines on the design, and then lastly I just hand drew in kind of that round circular piece on the end of that one element there. Once you have all of the lines drawn in black, I went in with an eraser and I quickly removed some of the pencil lines that were still visible. The next step of this card is to simply color everything in. So I used a combination of metallic and then blue, pink, and purple pens. So here you can see I started with the metallic pens and just simply kind of alternated the colors and chose a few kind of random sections or elements of the design that I wanted to color in that specific color. And once I'd finished the metallic elements, I simply just chose 4 different other colors, a teal, 2 kind of pinky purple shades, and then a true purple, and colored in 4 other elements, each these 4 different colors. And once you've finished coloring in all of the elements in your design, you may want to go in and do some touch-ups on the black lines. I really wanted those lines to be really crisp and visible in this design. And so I decided to go back in and essentially just trace over a few of the lines that I'd colored over a bit with the various colors when I went in to fill in that kind of block on the design. And once you've completed any touch-ups, this simple geometric card is complete. Thanks so much for watching.